In this lecture, we are going to see about the pet palette. So what exactly it is and what is the benefit of having it. So, what I will do is, as you can see here, that right now I am at the ground floor, as you can see from here. And after that, I will go and select this wall option, and I will take my mouse cursor, zoom in this region. Okay, let's say in this region, and I will do a simple click here and a simple click here just to model this wall. And after that, what I will do is I will just press escape, okay, 2 times to get out of this wall command. As you can see here that I have not selected any of this command, and you can verify the same from here as well. So what I'm going to do next is I will take my mouse cursor and click on this region, okay. And as you can see here, as I have clicked here, I'm getting these options. Okay, you can see that I can just move this one, this wall, some region here. Okay, so let me press escape and let me show you how I got this. You just simply need to click here when you are going to get the tick mark. Okay, and again you have to click here, or you can see that again you will get this option. Or what you can do, if you in hurry, you can just click double times to get these options. Okay, so or let's say I want to move this one, I want to drag this one, so I can drag it like this. Now let's say that I just changed my mind, so I can go with this option, I can go with rotate. So first of all, you need to set up the initial point. I will click on this initial point, and after that I will choose this one, and I can rotate this wall as per my choice. Okay, you can see, let's say I want to rotate this wall in this direction, okay. Now let's again, I will do a double click here, and after that I will press escape. Or what you can do is you can just click here, single click here, and you just simply need to go to this mirror option. Let's say you want to mirror this one, so you have to click the point. Okay, let's say I will choose this point, and you can mirror it like this. Okay, as you can see here, let's press escape and let's click on this one here. Okay, and now let's say you want to mirror about this line, you can mirror it this way as well. You can see. Now let's say I just changed my mind, I want to do something else with this one, so I can go to this one here, that I can elevate this one. Elevate, I want to elevate this wall, let's say by 2 units. And let's say I just again change my mind. So this is the benefit of this pet palette. You can just go ahead and do various kinds of things with this pet palette, and that is very handy, and it is going to save you a lot of time. So let's click on the last option. If you look here, you can see that you have these options available. You can see you can drag and rotate. You want to rotate it, this one in the distributed shape, you can do that as well. You can elevate, and all these bunch of different options are available. Okay, so now what I will do is I will just simply click on close. And so this is for the pet palette, where you can save a lot of time. So what I will do is I will show you some more tool. Let's go to the document, and here we have this fill tool. Okay, so let's go to fill tool here. So what you can do here is that with the help of fill tool, you can actually draw something like this. Okay, and now there you have the fill tool. So what I will do is I will get out of this command. After that I will select this one here, and I after selecting this, right now you can select on this edge, or you can go with this node. So first of all, what I will do is I will click on this center part as well. So for this you have these palette option, you can move this palette option here. Okay, what you can do here is that you can draw it like this. Again you can click on this one, and there right now we have clicked on the node, so we will look at this node later. So let me press escape. So if I click on this one again, you have bunch of different option on these. So as you can see here that I'm selecting on these mids of these lines. I have not selected the nodes, so you will get a bunch of different options. You can see you can create the radius like that. you can have a distance, something like that. Or if you want to add something to it, you can add to the polygon here as well. You can see you have bunch of different options available. You can increase or decrease by just scrolling your mouse. You can click on this one to add a polygon here, let's say anywhere. Okay, just like that, you can just add a polygon here. Now again I will click on this part here, so you can subtract the polygon. So let's say you want to subtract this polygon, you can subtract that one as well. Again I will click on this line. So there are many bunch of different options, as you can see here, that I can move this one, I can rotate this one at, let's say I will set this origin point and I want to rotate it like this. So there are a bunch of better option, and that is going to make your life easy with these options. You can mirror this one, let's say I'm going to mirror this one just like that. Or if you want to do the copy. So I have shown you whatever these things for these lines. Okay, now what I will do is I will click on these nodes and let me show you what will happen. If I click on this node, you will see that the pet palette has a different option than these walls, as you can see from here as well. So you can just move this node. Okay, you can move this node. You can just chamfer this edge here as well by some radius. Let me cancel that one. You can have this distance. You can see we have seen this one earlier as well. You can add, you can subtract, so there are a bunch of different options available. So in this way you have to work with the pet palette. Okay, so let's go to let me press escape here and let me deselect this one. So if you click on this wall and if you click on the centers, you will get these options as well. You can see that these options. So in this way you have to work with these pet palettes. So obviously if you're going to choose some different element that have some kind of different option for the pet palettes, you can see there are more option as compared to this one. Okay, let me press escape, as compared to this node at here. So in this way